नमस्कार, मार्केट टाइम्स टीवी में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं सुरेश मनचंदा और आप देख रहे हैं कारोबारी जगत से जुड़ी हुई खबरें। जैसा कि सभी को पता है कि इस समय पर बांग्लादेश की प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमती शेख हसीना भारत दौरे पर हैं और उनके साथ में करीब 250 कारोबारी भी भारत विजिट पर आए हैं। अलग अलग कारोबारी क्षेत्रों में ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज तलाश करने कि भारत और बांग्लादेश के कारोबारी संबंध और कैसे सुदृढ़ हो सकते हैं। इसी पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ इस समय पर मौजूद हैं द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, द फर्स्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, द फेडरेशन ऑफ बांग्लादेश चैम्बर्स एंड कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री, मोहम्मद मोहिउद्दीन साहब। मोहिउद्दीन साहब, स्वागत है आपका मार्केट टाइम्स टीवी में। मोहिउद्दीन साहब, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका वेलकम करूंगा क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान की धरती पर आप आए, उसके लिए आपका वेलकम है और आपका स्वागत करते हैं हृदय से। मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है, हिंदुस्तान आप आए, एक विज़न लेकर के आए, एक कारोबारी विज़न लेकर के आए। क्या लगता है इस यात्रा के दौरान, इस टूर के दौरान क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपको यहाँ पर हिंदुस्तान में नजर आए?
We are not here for only कारोबारी का लिए. It's a country so who is a part and parcel of our history.
Yes.
Because अब जो freedom fight हुआ था
Right.
पाकिस्तान का against and the atrocity and heinous crime they have committed. After that, this too friendly country, especially we must recognize that days that when Indians has accepted our refugees and trained our freedom fighters,
Right.
and Indian contribution of the Indian Army,
Right.
Navy and the Air Force, they have contributed, they have sacrificed their life, and altogether the support we got. This is a historic relationship we have. Politically and business-wise, the potential we have as a huge country, huge democratic country like India and Bangladesh, we have culturally, we are very strong. Tie we have, the common, values we have. But the business-wise, the way we are supposed to grow together, but we could not reach that destination. Because the Indian government was kind enough that we have signed lots of treaty, we have resolved our political long waiting distances like, land dispute,
Right.
maritime boundaries,
Right.
we have resolved.
Right.
I think for me as a businessman, that the relationship between these two countries is in the highest level in this moment. So, as a businessman, we are thinking that this country has a long history of business. This country has got entrepreneurial, huge experience, because after 47, from the British, when this region has got independence, and we are continuing. And this country also have some, especially northeast India, 7 provinces.
Right.
They have huge mineral resources.
Right.
And also there is a possibility, huge possibility of BBIM, regional cooperation, where we can find the way of, already Bangladesh has imported, started importing energy from India.
Right.
And this time also more 50 megawatt is
Right.
going to add in
That is the
our
part of
the
these
22 agreement.
Yeah.
So this way, but we have as India has offered us the 47 items as a duty-free access, but when the way like in our country we don't have that much of diversity in our export basket.
Okay.
We have very few items, so we are trying to diversify it more. So in that case, especially we are strong in apparel, RMG industry, in textiles. So textiles, the way we thought that we can grab the opportunity of more than 1 billion populations, we could not. But we have sent our fact-finding missions to Gujarat and Kolkata to set an industry there. And we have seen that there is a big possibility. तो ऐसे हम लोग ने try करता है to develop more business. In this moment we have 4.3 billion trade deficit. So we can narrow the deficit and we can benefit. The business is such a thing. It's a political relationship and other relationship create influence, but the entrepreneur especially has to have a comfortability to do the business. But the way we thought that the potential we can grab in selling here, here the structural chain stores, the numbers is not that much like Europe and America. So here we can open a factory, manufacturing and distribution together, and those who are in forward linkage like retailer. So retail business Bangladesh is not that strong. So in that case, as a supplier, we become the second largest. So here we have the potential to, you know, and India is a cotton growing country. We have to think, if India, like, I don't know why the Chinese are more competitive in production in textile, like woven textile. We have a huge potential to grow together. In this moment, we are importing from China mostly. 30% of our demand we are meeting from our own textiles. 70% we are importing. Need we are very strong. So here, textile is a huge potential. We can think about textile setting in the northwest because they have the mineral and energy available there. And also cross-border trade, the way we are thinking, it has to go farther. We have the opportunity to take into the different level as we have very good relationship in this moment. So we are thinking, we are looking for various possibilities. Yesterday I found one of the entrepreneur has got the counterpart that they're thinking from garbage, they will create energy. So this kind of things also a possibility. There is a lot of especially your onion to others, sabji and others commodities are
vegetables
going. Vegetables and many areas already we are importing. And Bangladesh is growing because as per Boston Consultancy Agency, they're saying that 55 million people has got the disposable income more than $5,000. So middle class is growing. Bangladesh is a good market. And also we have the opportunity to explore a bigger market. It's a big neighbor. So we have the potential to grow together.
As you said, you are looking ground basically to set up industries over here, especially for apparel. क्या लगता है आपको उसके बारे में कोई इंडिकेशन गवर्नमेंट्स की तरफ से?
No, Mr. Modi ji is very cordial enough. He has offered us to set an industry. They will give all kind of facilities. Also, we are looking for FDI. Because these two countries blessed by the, you know, हम लोगों का young population manpower है, manpower है, and our manpower is competitive, efficient. उधर में हम लोग भी 100 economic zone कर by 2030 will make 100 economic zone, and few of them अभी 20 economic zone has started their work. It's a big economic zone, and India also सोचता है उधर इंडस्ट्री करने के लिए set up the industry there. So it's a huge potential for that. So, and Bangladesh in this at the present moment we are growing. Our energy is 15,000 megawatt, and we are keep moving, and there also India is also investing in Matarbari, some Matarbari or something, the 1300 megawatts electrical plant there.
Okay.
So energy is a huge, infrastructure is a huge possibility, and government, especially the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, is putting huge emphasis on energy.
The one aspect is there, that is the terrorism. Do you believe terrorism will be play give a bad shape on these such kind of betterment issues?
You see, terrorism जो है,
Right.
आतंकबाजी, ये global problem.
Right.
This is not a problem of individuals. You are facing the problem here.
Yeah.
And the Russian Moscow, the St. Petersburg
Right.
is furious today. You have in Egypt,
Yes.
Egypt
The
in the
blast-
charts.
yes.
This, we the human being created this problem.
Right.
And we have to tackle this problem. As yesterday I have watched the lecture of Narendra Modi. He said that this global problem, Atangbaji, we have to tackle together.
Right.
And this is a problem, this is not an individual country's problem. We are all humanity today facing this problem, and this is a man-made problem.
Right.
We have to find the root cause and eradicate this problem together.
Right.
And this is a आतंकबाजी आदमी को confidence को low कर देता है.
Right, absolutely.
In that case, people don't like to go out.
Right.
People don't like to shop.
That's
people don't-
why I asked this question.
This is a
because-
problem, but always the democratic people, especially, they don't care and they don't fear. If we are afraid of them,
Right.
we have to create awareness among the society, among our country, to, not create such a situation where they will be patronized by people.
Right.
So we should discard them from the society, and we'll have to move forward.
Right, definitely. जो कलकत्ता से बांग्लादेश के लिए बस सर्विस एंड ट्रेन सर्विसेज, उसका कितना बड़ा एक्सपोजर आप देखते हैं for both the countries?
You see, today's world is no border.
Right.
If you go to Europe, there will be no border.
Right.
You don't feel when you cross the Brussels to Germany or France
Right.
or Switzerland, you'll not feel this a different country. And border is a man-made thing, again, because at the time of British Raj, it was a subcontinent, was one country.
Right.
We, the politician and the people, has made this border.
Right.
And we should be, if our relationship, especially political relationship, and people of both the country, if we know each other, there should not be a border.
Right.
I as a person, as a citizen of the globe,
Right,
I
right.
believe in this way.
Right. Very much true.
These are, most of the cases, these tools has been used for politics.
Right.
And we business people don't believe in this politics.
Right.
We believe that everything should be open for the human being. They can move, human capital and the financial capital can move any place to any place.
Right.
Of course, we have to be aware that they should not be used or abused by anybody. We have to be open.
बांग्लादेश का मैक्सिमम जो इंपोर्ट रहता है इंडिया से, दैट इज द कॉटन, एंड यू आर द लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर बेसिकली. यू हैव एक्सपोजर इन द एक्सपोर्ट फॉर रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स. क्या लगता है जो चाइना की अभी आपने बात करी, चाइना को बीट करने के लिए, जैसा कि अभी आपने बताया कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टू सेट अप इंडस्ट्रीज इन गुजरात एंड नॉर्थ ईस्ट बेसिकली, क्या इसको ये समझा जाए कि चाइना को बीट करने के लिए दैट रिलेशनशिप मस्ट बी देयर?
You see, like,
Yes.
this is all about confidence and mutual benefit. क्या है, जब ये 47 आइटम को लिए हम शुरू किया है,
Right.
RMG जब आया है, We could not even cross $200 million here. It's just above 100 million. But we have the potential. It's $1 billion potential here. We are complacent with that. Business is such a thing. Both the country has to be benefited. It's a win-win for all. But here, Indian textile mill also can think about setting textile there, or in the border like Northeast. We can set a textile there and import from there, stitching in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has the technical know-how, very good, internationally recognized and accepted quality and delivery has been established by this time. So जिसमें जिसका strength है उसको काम में लगाना पड़ता है. ये है हमारा main goal. And as you said that China, when business people think, they're not thinking about China, they're not thinking about India. Whichever is competitive, quality is good for them, they have to sell it. So in that case, whoever is competitive, they will go for that. We don't have the fascination for particular country. And they are not also sourcing from us as a Bangladesh, okay, this is a third world country. So today, from aid dependency to trade dependency is more. Bangladesh budget is not creating on the basis of aid. We are doing the budget on the basis of trade. So this is and these things like we have to activate and the BBN regional cooperation, BBIN and BIMSTEC and BCIM, this kind of opportunity we have to explore. We have the political differences. SAARC is failed because of the Pakistan. You see, because no one is okay. It's a kind of everybody is scared to go there.
That is because of the terrorism.
Issues. The terrorism level is so big. They are not somehow failed to tackle that. They are killing each other. It's a masjid में भी बम मरता है, गिरजा में भी बम मरता है, temple में भी बम मरता है. This is too much. So Afghanistan is the border. So this is the problem. See, here terrorism is the biggest issue, and the political relation from misunderstanding to come into understanding, and mistrust to bring our trust together, and we can grow together regionally.
Internationally, Bangladesh को डॉलर कितना इफेक्ट कर रहा है?
Dollar is, in this moment, our currency is very high. If you compare with India, Vietnam and others, Pakistan, our currency is very high. Because still we import more than export. So government has to think that which dollar price should be the right one. So government is now in a huge investment in infrastructural development. So I think our competitiveness we are irritated by this dollar price, especially our local currency is high. So if you compare in 4 years, I think your currency has been devalued by 30%. Our currency has gone up. So this is another disadvantage for us as an exporter. But importer, they're happy.
And another thing, the trade issue, the labor issue, basically I'm talking about. बांग्लादेश के अंदर काफ़ी बार ये सुनने में आता है कि trade unions are very much active over there. So businessmen always be in the fear कि यार कब कितने दिन के लिए फैक्ट्री डाउन करनी पड़ जाए, ये पता नहीं. That fear is in the Bangladesh.
Problem is, you're right. Trade unionism itself is a good practice to protect the right, but it's a responsibility, and good trade unionism is a good thing. But you will see that some countries try to destroy their economy through kind of destabilization. We have seen sometime that, like West Bengal has a huge potential. Because of Band karke, इंडस्ट्री डेवलप नहीं हुआ।
राइट,
ऐसे करके हम जाएगा, सो कोई बात नहीं है। ओके, वी कैन एक साथ थ्रू डायलॉग हम रिजॉल्व कर सकता है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस illegal practice of trade unionism, I am totally against. Bangladesh has ratified the ILO convention, main core convention Bangladesh has ratified. We are working with the international agencies like Industrial Law, like AFL-CIO, but problem is they try to instigate this kind of things, which we don't like to allow. Right. And our workers are very disciplined, very efficient, but problem is outside money and instigation. I must compare with this with the terrorism. Right. It's a kind of impediments to grow the business and industry.
Definitely, कहीं ना कहीं वो उसको impact करेगा और business के ऊपर direct hit है.
Today, China is a world biggest economy. Right. India is people are saying that in 2050 or 2030, India they will beat the America and they will grow as a second biggest economy in the world. Right. Only China's advantage is this, and they have created some kind of democracy and the communism together. The kind of system, this kind of trade unionism is not there. And uninterrupted production is going on. Right. And they grow. Right. And they will be the #1 economy in the world. This is the projection of every, researcher and every.
Agreed.
So this is the kind of things where the Unnayan and democracy, which one is India is one of the world's biggest democracy in the world.
Right.
So here, both has to be balanced. Your model is Gujarat model today.
Right.
You see, 11 months contractual labor is there. No need to pay the festival bonus and 13 type of puja, parban, Eid, what it calls Christians are doing, Christmas
and all.
They don't need to pay this kind of, okay, contract means concert. How much you want, how much I have the ability to pay.
Right.
Come to a point to discuss, and market will define the, things. It is a demand and supply situation.
Right.
So this kind of model is, Americans are instigating or trying to impose union in their states. Not that much of union. Many states are inviting FDI, please invest in our state. There will be no union. So this kind of things are there. So we understand, and that's why our relationship between India and Bangladesh has to be more strengthened and strong to grow together. There is it is a win-win for all of us.
Right.
Where we have expertise, we'll offer you. Where you have expertise, we'll take from you.
Right.
So this way we can grow together.
You are representing Bangladesh biggest business federation, basically, chamber. And what do you think? What aspects were missing yesterday's basically agreements, and what kind of agreement you personally want to impose over there?
I personally think, any product we produce where we are competing, it should come. It should not be, stopped for any reason. Like when we started, like I said, that $100 million, even our one company, right. One manufacturer is exporting 500 million alone.
Right.
So this is not a, country like India, such a big economy and such a big population, we couldn't use the impediments. We think that main thing is, here the bureaucrats should think about it twice, that in the name of testing, in the name of tax, our goods should get the market access uninterruptedly. Your goods should come to us uninterruptedly, so big business will grow and flourish together. So these things is nothing to do with the agreement. This is an environment we have to create together with a goodwill to implement all these issues. This political will has to be executed by the bureaucrats. We are hoping that bureaucrats will help. In the name of test, time will go out of the delivery. In the name of test, things are not, okay, why don't you create a mutual testing lab and do it?
Okay.
You see, so these kind of things denting the confidence of the business people. So this area has to improve.
Other thing, because Bangladesh don't have basically a deep port basically over there, and some other you can say confidence you can say of the international investor or the buyers.
Like as I said that Bangladesh government is giving huge importance and priority to develop the infrastructure, especially the port. Paira port is coming up. Paira seaport is coming up, and we can our connectivity to the another port in Mongla, the Khulna, as you said, that connectivity is going on by bus, train. So these are the things we have to do together. Okay, this is the capacity of our port. Already transit agreement has done. So we have to improve the capacity. Our road, if necessary, we have to widen the road. If necessary, we have to improve the capacity of the port. It is, we have to identify where we have lapses.
You are calling FDIs in the infrastructure side?
Of course. It can be FDI or it can be the local money. So for, you know, like we have given the transit to India, Northeast can use our port. Whether our port has that capacity, we have to assess that. How much cargo you will deal, how many TEUs container you will deal. So these things has to be studied and resolved, and what necessary to be done, we have to, you know, do it. That is the things we have to look at very carefully.
First area आप प्रायोरिटी बेसिस के ऊपर ऐसा कौन सा मान रहे हो कि इमीडिएट बेसिस के ऊपर बांग्लादेश और इंडिया दोनों मिलकर के बिजनेस के इस एंगल के ऊपर पे यहाँ पे वर्क इमीडिएट स्टार्ट करते हैं?
Like my core business is textile and apparel, so I would say India has a long history of textiles, and they have the experience. Like they can explore the possibility of setting up two way you can do. You can set a industry in Bangladesh, or you can set in a border level where energy is available. You can set there, and stitching can be in Bangladesh is a big possibility. And technological transformation, like exchanging our technology, you have many ways. Like in IT sector, you are commanding the world in this moment in e-commerce. Here we have to learn from you. So in this way, we can, where you are strong, again I'm saying, where you are strong, we want from you. Where we are strong, you can take it from us.
डेफिनेटली आई होप कि इंशाल्लाह ये सारी चीज़ें हों और एक रिलेशनशिप जो है वो एक ज़रूर डेवलप होनी चाहिए, और निश्चित तौर के ऊपर जिस तरीके से मूवमेंट्स और जो बातचीत आगे बढ़ी है पिछले 2-3 साल के बीच में, जो बायलिटरल टॉक्स हुए हैं, जो बिजनेस एक दूसरे के साथ में एक्सचेंजेस हुई हैं, उससे एक डायरेक्शन मिलती हुई ज़रूर दिख रही है, और होप सो कि इट वुड बी कम इन अ बेटर शेप.
We wish and hope that good business for both the countries.
Yes, definitely. Thanks for giving us such nice time, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. तो हमारे साथ इस समय पर मोहम्मद मोहिउद्दीन साहब थे, जिन्होंने साफ तौर के ऊपर ये बताया कि जो क्वालिटीज़ बांग्लादेश के पास में है वो इंडिया, हिंदुस्तान उसको एंजॉय करे, और जो हिंदुस्तान के पास में जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं वो बांग्लादेश एंजॉय करे, ताकि दोनों कंट्रीज मिल करके इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स के बीच में एक अच्छी छाप छोड़ सकें. बहरहाल इस खास पेशकश में फिलहाल इतना ही, लेकिन आप कहीं मत जाइए, आप देखते रहिए हिंदी न्यूज़, खबरों का सिलसिला जारी है।